What if you could manufacture a product that's in demand across warehouse, cold storages, pharmaceutical plants, food processing units, airports, factories, data centers, and commercial buildings, all from a single manufacturing facility? That's exactly the opportunity continuous sandwich panel manufacturing offers. As India rapidly expands its industrial and logistics infrastructure, demand for high-performance insulated building materials is accelerating. The global sandwich panels market is expected to reach nearly $15 billion by 2030, growing at around 7.7% compound annual growth rate (CAGR), while the Indian market is projected to grow from $180.5 million in 2022 to nearly $398 million by 2030 at a 10.4% compound annual growth rate (CAGR). If you're looking for a scalable manufacturing business with long-term industrial demand, this video is for you. Continuous sandwich panels are insulated construction panels made by bonding an insulating core, such as polyurethane (PU), polysocerate (PIR), EPS, or mineral wool between two pre-coated steel sheets. These panels provide outstanding thermal insulation, structural strength, quick installation, and energy efficiency. Compared to conventional brick and cement construction, they significantly reduce construction time while lowering long-term operating costs. This is why they have become the preferred choice for modern industrial construction. The biggest driver is infrastructure. India is witnessing massive investments in industrial parks, warehousing, logistics hubs, manufacturing facilities, semiconductor plants, pharmaceutical parks, food processing zones, and cold chain infrastructure. The rapid growth of e-commerce has also created enormous demand for modern warehouse and distribution centers, where insulated sandwich panels are widely used. At the same time, industries are looking for energy-efficient buildings to reduce electricity costs and meet sustainability standards. These trends are pushing demand higher every year. According to industry reports, India's sandwich panel market is expected to grow at over 10% compound annual growth rate (CAGR) through 2030, supported by rapid urbanization, industrialization, cold chain expansion, and government-backed infrastructure projects. One of the biggest advantages of this business is its diversified customer base. These panels are widely used in industrial factories, cold storage facilities, warehouse or food processing plants, pharmaceutical manufacturing units, clean rooms, the data centers, airports, commercial buildings, shopping complexes, the logistics parks, prefabricated buildings. Because these sectors continue to expand, demand remains consistent rather than seasonal. The global market already includes established companies such as Kingspan, Metechno Group, Isopan, Owens Corning, Tata Steel, Dana Group, and PFB Corporation. In India, companies including Kingspan Jindal, Epac Prefab, Isopan India, and Tata Steel have expanded their presence as demand for insulated building solutions continues to rise. The presence of large players also validates that this is a mature and growing industry with strong commercial demand. Continuous sandwich panel manufacturing is not a short-term trend. It is backed by long-term structural growth. First, India is investing heavily in manufacturing infrastructure. Second, industrial construction is shifting toward prefabricated and modular buildings. Third, businesses increasingly demand energy-efficient facilities that reduce operating costs. Fourth, customers include large B2B buyers who place repeat orders for ongoing expansion projects. Finally, manufacturers can also explore export opportunities as demand for insulated construction materials grows across developing economies. For startups and MSMEs, this industry offers several advantages. Demand comes from multiple sectors instead of relying on one industry. The product has high value addition compared to many conventional building materials. Industrial customers typically purchase in bulk. As your business grows, production capacity can be expanded without completely changing the business model. Government spending on industrial corridors, smart cities, logistics parks, food processing infrastructure, and cold chain development is expected to support long-term demand for insulated construction materials. Rather than depending on temporary market trends, this business benefits from India's ongoing industrial development. Entrepreneurs may also benefit from several government initiatives, depending on eligibility. These include MSME registration benefits, Startup India, Make in India, CGTMSE collateral-free loan support, PMEGP for eligible enterprises, state industrial subsidy programs, and export promotion schemes. The exact incentives vary by state and project type, so evaluating applicable policies before investing is essential. essential. Starting a manufacturing unit requires much more than purchasing machinery. NPCS provides complete project consultancy to help entrepreneurs establish successful manufacturing businesses. Its services include detailed project reports, techno-economic feasibility reports, market surveys, manufacturing process guidance, machinery selection, plant layout planning, raw material sourcing, financial projections, project cost estimation, and bankable project reports required for financial institutions. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or an existing manufacturer planning diversification, NPCS can help reduce planning risks and support informed investment decisions. Continuous sandwich panel manufacturing is more than just another construction material business. It is a business driven by industrialization, energy-efficient construction, cold chain expansion, and infrastructure growth. If you're looking for a manufacturing opportunity with strong B2B demand, scalability, and long-term growth potential, this industry deserves serious consideration. If you want expert guidance on setting up your own continuous sandwich panel manufacturing plant, contact NPCS today for complete project consultancy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more manufacturing business opportunities that could shape your entrepreneurial journey.